All right, gentlemen, this is a little help on how to install one of these Harley Razor trunks you can get on eBay for about 230 bucks on up. I bought the one with the pad. I bought the one that's matte color, so it matches this F6B. This is a 2015 model. First thing you'll need to get to install this from your local Honda dealership, these show chrome brackets. Take a screenshot of that if you want. Also go to Advanced Auto Parts. Get these bolts. You'll need 4 of these. You'll need, I think 8 nuts and 8 washers, the same M8 side. So 8 washers, 8 nuts, 4 of these bolts for this project. Start by taking these pillion handles off. There's just 2 bolts there and 1 bolt in the back underneath behind the seat here. Pretty simple. Get the seat off. Take these 2 off. Take the seat bolt off back here. The seat just comes off. Come in the back. In order to get this top cover off, on the right side, there's a little hole here. Just pop this thing off. And I wouldn't yank on it, just kind of ease it off all the way here. This piece comes off, and then there's 2 bolts, might be 3 in here. 2 little bolts in here, pop those off as well. And this top cover just comes up and off, and all that's exposed there. Once you got that going, get your little show chrome accessories, mount kits. Those go on the back. That mount kit has instructions that are very clear on how to install these. It's simply just 2 bolts screwed down in there. This Razor trunk comes with a metal plate inside on the bottom that's bolted to it on the bottom. Comes with the cable. There's the pad. The pad came with all the little bolts hooked to the pad and these little nuts. So pretty slick. Anyway, you'll need to make a template. I put this trunk even with the back of the Goldwing. Vertically, it's about right. Had somebody sit on the rear seat, and that's about the position you want. The back of the trunk is right with the back of the rear fender of the bike. Make your spots. Flip this thing over. Drill these 2 holes on the bottom. Flip it back over. Make your template. Easiest way to do it is put a piece of cardboard down on when these bolts are bolted in to the brackets that you got from your Honda dealership. You can push that cardboard down, and then it makes kind of a template. You know, drill with a small drill and then with the bigger drill bit, and pretty slick. Anyhow, once you get those drilled in, the bolts go in, washers underneath. Again, it's pretty slick. Those bolts go straight down into those brackets that you purchased. Put another washer, another nut, and then you raise and lower this thing using your tape measure so it looks all even. The only issue with this I had was this stupid antenna for the CB. Tried to push up on the bottom of this thing. Man, you really got to crank on that to get it down. But those are all tightened up from the bottom, tightened down into the bracket, and then tightened up here. It's pretty slick. Close this up. Not a bad finish for this F6B. Good luck.